much time has passed? A minute?
Sammy, what's the matter?
Well, you see, YouTube giveaway!
What? I don't understand. Explain from the start.
How could you forget? I won an iPhone in a giveaway for my favorite YouTuber!
Oh, right. Now I remember.
Remember? You simply can't forget such things. So my new iPhone should arrive any minute!
Oh, so it was a box for you.
What? You took my package and didn't say a thing?
Calm down, Sammy. It just arrived. Let's open it.
Oh, no, it's mine. I'll do it myself.
But, fine. So what? It's still a very good phone. Brand new.
New, not iPhone.
Oh, Sammy, it doesn't matter what phone you got. You just have to make it unique.
Uniqueness is my middle name.
It is?
iPhones! Guys, which phone do you have? Pause the video and write in the comments. Fine. Give it here. I'll see what I can do. To make it unique. Right. As if it will turn into an iPhone.
Oh, Sammy! You're so clumsy. You nearly broke your new phone.
Ah, how could I?
Well, it happens to you quite often.
Well, it can happen to anyone.
That's why we need to make a protective case for your phone. It will give the phone some individuality.
A protective case? Like what?
Let's think.
A candy case!
Well, you already have too much candy in your life.
A slime case.
You're a slime yourself. No, we need something. Oh! Here, Sammy.
I hope you're not going to ruin this wonderful painting to make a case out of it!
What? No, of course not. We'll make you a wonderful space-themed phone case.
Space-themed? Space flights? Oh, that's it! Susie, I'm off to get ready for a space flight!
But...
I'm going to become the first slime knot in the world! Yahoo!
Sam's imagination has taken him far, far away again. Oh well, I'll start making a cosmic phone case then. To make it, I'll need a black phone case and some of my girly supplies. Colorful nail polish. Let's get started. Right, I've selected the colors that will help me create a galaxy. Of course, each bottle has its own brush, but I'm still going to need an additional tool. A sponge brush. Let's begin.
What should a real astronaut be able to do? Oh, to stay healthy, astronauts should eat well! Yes! I've seen that in zero gravity, astronauts eat out of special tubes. I'll go look for one!
I'll start with dark blue. And now some glitter. And mix them.
Right! This is a really weird thing. It has to be space food! Let's see... Ew! Not all that is in a tube is food. Ugh!
I'll add more blue color. Blue glitter. And some purple. Like this. And pink, of course. It'll be really pretty.
What other special features does space travel have? Oh! Zero gravity. I need to train for it!
Ah! Here's some fuchsia polish and purple glitter for a bright splash. What an interesting effect!
of a slime knot.
I need to add a little bit of black. And some more glitter.
And what if I find myself in a vacuum and I'll have nothing to breathe with? I need to practice holding my breath. By the way, do you remember how Sue made this aquarium for me? Give a thumbs up if you do.
The galaxy is almost done. Now I only need to add starshine.
Susie, I think I'm ready.
Ready for what?
To go to space! Ooh, what's that pretty thing?
It's your new phone case.
A phone case. Really?
Really? I only need to fix the painting with transparent nail polish.
Can I use it now?
Yes, as soon as it dries.
I can't believe it! The phone looks simply breathtaking.
And you don't even care what brand it is?
Nope. As soon as it's new and pretty and unique. Well, I'm off!
Where to?
To call NASA, of course. They need to make me a slime knot!
Guys, let's collect 3,000 thumbs up so that Sam can go to space. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.